Your stock research lives in 5 tabs and a spreadsheet you'll never reopen. StoqPulse puts the whole process, screening, analysis, risk, and a decision journal, in one workspace. Most stock scores are a black box. StoqPulse shows the working behind every number and cites every AI answer to its source. Know why, not just what. The thesis you'll forget by next quarter? Write it down. StoqPulse journals every decision with your conviction, then lets you review what actually happened so your process gets sharper over time. Screen over 4,200 stocks across the US, Canada, and Europe by financial health, valuation, and momentum in milliseconds. And now, you can ask your portfolio a question and get an answer cited to the data behind it. Grounded, never a guess, and never a buy or sell call. StoqPulse. Free to start. StoqPulse.com. Research and educational tools only, not investment advice.